This tour you're not going to want to miss. My name is Michael Saveth. I'm a realtor with Realty Connect, and today we are in the heart of Bixby, and boy, let me tell you, this builder, guys, did not disappoint. Matter of fact, let's get right into this long form tour. I want you to sit back, enjoy the details of this modern luxury stunner sitting on nearly ½ acre in the estates at Conrad Village. I'll drop all of the specs on this home down in the description of this video. And listen, if you're relocating to Oklahoma or you're local and looking to buy or sell, all of my contact info is going to be right there too. I would genuinely love to work with you. Lastly, guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, and if you want to support my journey, subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps me more than you all know. All right, enough talking, let's get into it.